Apartment 004 is a 3-bedroom apartment, well furnished apartment. We have a television. This is the sitting room, the living area. POP everywhere. Sitting room. Then this is one of the bedrooms. All the rooms are en suite. You have a dressing mirror. Apartments. You have a very nice, comfortable 6x6 bed. Nugget apartments. Beautiful wardrobe here. It's a 3-bedroom apartment. We have the bathroom. Well, this beautiful 3-in-1 shower. Water heater. Beautiful toilets. Nugget apartments. This one of the bedrooms. Then we have this kitchen. This kitchen. Then you have this corridor space. You have the second bedroom. It's a 3-bedroom apartment for family vacations and all that. There's this 4x6 bed. And have this bathroom. Bathroom. We have this last bedroom. We have the last bedroom in this 3-bedroom apartment. In case you actually want to take rooms individually, we can actually give out the rooms individually. This is 6x7 bed, master's bedroom. So that's it for apartment 004.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.